How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your featured photos not appearing problem. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your app is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see update sign instead of open, tap on update and update your app. Now let's go ahead and open up our settings. At this page, scroll below to apps and search for Facebook. Under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Now let's go ahead and open up our Facebook. Hop into your profile. Now also be sure that you have added something in your featured story in order to appear it to your profile. To do that, tap on three-dot icon, then tap on archive, then tap on story archive. Just like so, add any photo that you would like to your featured photo. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.